Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here, Aspra. I don't know why that song just popped in my head, but anyway, I'm excited because I'm back with another video. I actually was going to be doing I actually had plans to do something, but they got canceled, so I'm here doing a video and I'm so excited. So I'm going to be doing another look with the Selena palette, the Me Siento Muy Excited. I swear, it's like every time I'm in here. Okay. There goes my throat again. It's only when I'm like filming. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, there's a lot of fly out from this palette, but those colors are gorgeous. Okay, so today I'm actually kind of winging it. Well, I actually did the other day as well, but I'm actually winging it today. I kind of want to go for like a smoky look with some of that bronze shimmer. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I don't know if I like highlighting though with any of these colors. I don't feel like any of them are like highlight worthy really. But with that said, let's get into this video. Also, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Welcome, 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 welcome. Don't forget to watch this video all the way through and hit that like button. Hope you guys enjoy. God bless. So I'm gonna start with the Urban Decay Prime Potion. So I'm gonna put that on both of my lids. Alright, so I am going in, well, I'm going to be using my Morphe brush. I can't even see what number that is, and I don't remember which brush I used. But it's basically a blending brush, so. So much excess. It scares me because it's like you do your whole face and then to have fallout all over your cheek and everywhere. It's annoying. Now I'm putting on some eyeshadow base. Or basically like a color that's closer to my tone in the palette. So you can use that color as well. So I'm going in using that tawny color. I'm just going to put that all over my lid on both eyes and just blend, blend, blend. This look is just all about blending. And I'm going in with the pencil brush right now just to kind of darken the smoky eye effect. And I'm going to take that brown, that dark brown color. And I usually always start like I'm putting on eyeliner, but I'm just taking it across my lid.
Going back in with that color. Just gonna take it on my bottom lid, lower lash line. Gonna go back in now with that espresso color. A bunch of fallout. This is exactly why I usually put on my eyeshadow first, especially when doing a smoky eye, and I know if there's gonna be a lot of fallout, and then I do my face makeup after. It's just so much easier that way, but I look creepy. And now, as you can see, I'm going back over with the espresso color just to darken it up. Now I'm gonna go in with that kind of like rosy, I don't know what kind of color that is actually. It looks more bronze than anything. Anytime you're doing a smoky eye look, you always want to build. So you can choose a few colors that you want to mix together and just build it up. Then you can go over, like I did with this bronze kind of shimmery color, or you can just keep it dark. Now I'm gonna start blending. Just gonna keep on blending. That's basically what you need to do to get or achieve a smoky eye. So, just highlighting the inner corners of my eyes with that matte, like kind of like, I guess it's like a peachy light eyeshadow color. I don't know what color it is. I feel like I say peachy too much. Also guys, be sure to watch this video all the way through and give this video a huge thumbs up. You'll be able to see previous video if you missed that one. Why do I look so sad? Jeez. So now I'm actually putting black eyeshadow on the top of my lid, just like it was eyeliner. And then I like to go over with eyeliner and to complete the look. Sometimes I do the opposite. If I'm using gel liner, I'll put gel liner first, and then I'll put some black eyeshadow just to, you know, as a powder effect. So now what I'm doing is just darkening my eyes now so the look can all come together. And I just do this because I feel like sometimes when you're blending a lot, you kind of lose the color, so, or, you know, like that dark of the eye. So I like to go back in and make sure that I have that and my eyes are shaped.
Alright, so I added some eyeliner on the top and bottom of my eyes, and then I added my lashes, of course, and also lip gloss. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't done a classic or a smoky eye look in a while, like black or brown or whatever, and yeah, I think I'm gonna be wearing more because it's been so long and I just love this look, and the lashes just really complement them. So yeah, Sorry. I'm staring over here because I want to make sure that this eyelash over here isn't falling off, because when I pulled it off yesterday, it kind of came off. And I'm trying to use them up because I'm waiting for my other lashes to come in. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. Please give this video a thumbs up and watch the next video. All right, thanks, bye.